Multiple choice questions on power plant engineering, part 11. Question number 101. Gas turbine as compared to an internal combustion engine. Option A. Torque produced is uniform. Option B. Can be driven at high speed. Option C. Has more efficiency. Option D. All the above. The correct answer is all the above. Let us see the explanation. Gas turbine as compared to internal combustion engine can be driven at a very high speed, produces uniform torque and has more efficiency. So the correct answer is all the above. Question number 102. The positive displacement compressor is option A Roots blower compressor, option B axial flow compressor, option C centrifugal compressor, option D condenser. The correct answer is Roots blower compressor. Let us see the explanation. Roots blower compressor and vane blower compressor are positive displacement compressors. Question number 103. The level turbine is a option A simple impulse turbine, option B simple reaction turbine, option C impulse reaction turbine, option D both B and C. Correct answer is simple impulse turbine. Explanation. The level turbine is an impulse turbine in which steam impinges upon revolving blades from a flared nozzle. The flare of the nozzle causes expansion of the steam and hence changes its pressure energy to kinetic energy. Question number 104. A steam nozzle converts option A heat energy of steam into kinetic energy, option B kinetic energy into heat energy of steam, option C potential energy into heat energy of steam, option D both B and C. Correct answer is a steam nozzle converts heat energy of steam into kinetic energy. Explanation. A steam nozzle is a passage of varying cross sections that converts the heat energy of steam into kinetic energy. Question number 105. The process of maintaining the speed of the turbine constant for various load conditions is option A bleeding, option B reheating, option C governing, option D compounding. Correct answer is governing. Explanation. The process of maintaining the speed of the turbine constant for various load condition is called as governing. Question number 106. A device is used to put out fire in the furnace of the boiler when the level of water in the boiler falls to an unsafe limit. Option A blow up cock, option B stop valve, option C superheater, option D fusible plug. Correct answer is fusible plug. Explanation. A fusible plug made of a low melting point alloy, that is lead based, is installed on the roof of the crown in the furnace. If the water level in the shell falls below a certain level, the fusible plug melts due to overheating and water pours down through the hole formed and puts down the fire. So the correct answer is fusible plug. Question number 107. In thermal power plants, the deaerator is used mainly to option A, remove air from condenser. Option B, reduce steam pressure. Option C, increase feed water temperature. Option D, remove dissolved gases from the feed water. Correct answer is remove dissolved gases from feed water. Explanation. Deaerator in steam power plant removes condensable gases from water and non-condensable from circulated water. If large number of closed regenerator are used in cycle, at least one should be open type for this deaeration process. This deaeration process removes some steam with gases which is make up feed water. Question number 108. In a steam power plant, the ratio of the isentropic heat drop in the prime mover to the amount of heat supplied per unit mass of steam is known as option A, stage efficiency. Option B, degree of reaction. Option C, Rankine cycle. Option D, relative efficiency. The correct answer is Rankine efficiency. Explanation. Rankine efficiency, it is the ratio of the isentropic drop in the prime mover to the amount of heat supplied per unit mass of steam. Question number 109. Steam flow is controlled by using option A, drum level sensor. Option B, feed water flow sensor. Option C, steam flow sensor. Option D, all of these. The correct answer is all of these. Explanation. Steam flow is controlled by using drum level sensor, feed water flow sensor, steam flow sensor. So the correct answer is all of these. Question number 110. The reheat factor depends upon option A, initial pressure and superheat. Option B, exit pressure. Option C, turbine stage efficiency. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Explanation. Reheat factor, it is the ratio of cumulative heat drop to isentropic heat drop. It depends on initial pressure and superheat, exit pressure, turbine stage efficiency. It increases with the increased number of stages. The value of reheat factor varies from 1.02 to 1.06. So the correct answer is all of the above. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.